Question 23 asks students to describe the process of gaseous exchange in the body, and this was worth 4 marks, and the expectation was that all of these lines would be filled up by students. So describe the process of gaseous exchange in the body. Our key term being described, we go and have a look and see what we're looking at here means the characteristics and the features. So students need to provide the characteristics and the features of the process of gaseous exchange in the body. What are the characteristics and features? From our syllabus, we'll notice that in the respiratory system, the bottom dot point looks at exchange of gases, internal and external. We look at our sample answer. The first gas exchange takes place in the alveoli and the capillary. The high pressure of oxygen is taken from the alveoli to the hemoglobin in the red blood cells, to which the carbon dioxide is taken by the alveoli to be expired out the mouth. This is called pulmonary diffusion. That's some excellent terminology there from the syllabus. That's really good. And I think some of this wording was in our multiple choice. When the oxygenated blood has reached the muscle tissue, the process of diffusion is repeated, except the oxygen is taken by the muscles for further breakdown to glycogen. Excellent terminology again. And carbon dioxide is taken by the red blood cells, is taken to the lungs. This is the systemic diffusion. So we've shown both pulmonary and systemic diffusion, explained the whole process of the high pressure. So it's gone from one area of high level to a lower area. That's why there's been the exchange of gases. It's been expired or breathed out the mouth. The rest is being used for further breakdown of energy. And that's a very, very well structured answer. I like the way he's underlined capillary, alveoli, pulmonary diffusion, systemic diffusion. Some of these real key terms that need to be in this answer, which is why he's been able to get 4 marks in this question. Overall, this was a pretty ordinary answer. I really felt that students struggled with this answer and really didn't know too much about the exchange of gases, which was disappointing. Students were talking about the respiratory system. The number of answers I got relating to the process of the whole respiratory system, which was alarming for me, right? And that's where students need to have an idea of what the question's asking. So describe the characteristics and features of the process of gaseous exchange in the body. What is happening in the exchange of gases? Not the flow of blood, not the flow of air from our mouth all the way down into our alveoli. It's talking about the exchange of gases that takes place primarily in the alveoli within our lungs. That was the issue with this question. So it was very poorly answered by most students, but a couple of students gave some very, very well structured responses, and they need to be commended for that.